Hi, I'm Morna, founder of Incandescent Clothing. Welcome to today's episode of the Daily Try-Ons. Today's episode features Halifax influencer Holly's housewife life. So buckle up and get ready for your daily dose of fashion that's sure to take your style to the next level.
Hello, I'm Holly. Welcome to the Daily Try-On. I am so happy to see you today, and I'm especially happy to be in this beautiful outfit. Oh, I just love it. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous moto jacket. A moto jacket will never go out of style. You'll have this in your closet for years to come. This one is the Marina, and it's in a gorgeous, it's almost a bit of a lilac. I don't want to say pink. It's kind of muted, so it's still very neutral, goes with anything. And I paired it with the Hilda dress, which is such a classic. Hello, I have on this easy breezy outfit. So I really struggle with finding pants in general, and sort of a more athleisure everyday pant is really hard for me. I struggle in length, in waist. These are the perfect pant. These are the Lumina Techno pant, and they're so comfy. They have functioning pockets, of course, but they also have a zipper. I paired it with a Soya Concept little sweater top. It's so comfy. I love the sleeves. I love how it's a little bit ballooned at the bottom. Really, really lovely. Very soft material. And this is the Banu. We are going to talk outerwear for a minute because this is a fabulous new piece, and it's that season where it's going to be wet. This is the Nora raincoat, and it is gorgeous. It's almost, it's a poncho style, but it has a good deep zipper, so you can open up, get some airflow in there, or you can zip it all the way up. It has functioning pockets, so you can keep your phone dry or whatever, but what I love is that it's a really good length. It has the dips up the side, so you have lots of freedom to move. And we are getting a puppy in a couple of weeks, and I feel like I might need to take this home because it's going to be the perfect taking the dog out to pee, taking it for a little walk with a really nice deep hood. I am wearing a fan favorite, the Tessa pant. These are the perfect pants. They're so comfortable. You just have to come try them on. You can't believe me. You can never imagine how soft these pants are. But I paired it with a crochet top. Crochet is so hot right now. It's all in. It's all everybody's wearing. And it's a nice transition piece to kind of get out of our big oversized sweaters to something a little bit lighter, a little bit more springy. This is the black, it's the Harlow top in black, and it's just a lovely length as well, a little bit high-low, a little bit lower in the back, a little bit shorter in the front. And I paired it with a tiny little flower. There's amazing accessories here, so you'll have to check those out. I live for a clip, so. Hi, okay, talk to me about how much you love a spring sweater. Love a spring sweater. Then add in stripes, classic, love stripes. Then add in this blue. Blue, I'm not sure if you've heard, but cobalt blue is the in color of the year. So this is stunning. Then you add in some detail on the sides, a nice little cuff around the sleeve. This is the Etta sweater, and it's just beautiful. The most lovely spring puffer. I just said this is the color of the year, and this is it. It looks so great on everybody. It's such a vibrant, fun shade as well. This is the Inns Curve Puffer. I am in a size 14. I feel like I may be able to size down to the 12 as well because it's a little bit roomy in here, but it has beautiful functioning zipper. Silver detail, which I love against that pop of blue, and it's just so perfect. It's the perfect length.